Well, hello everybody. Hope everybody's feeling well. And welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's me again. It's that fella from Chesterfield. You know who I am, don't you? Yes, you do. Right, we're in sunny Derbyshire. And it's a Sunday. What on earth am I doing out on a Sunday? Well, there's a story behind that. We're going to turn right up here and we're going to have a run up to Fairholmes, along with thousands of other people, I should think. Here we are. Now then, time is it? It's about 10 to 10, so it will be starting to get busy now. A lot of geese on the banks of the dam, all grazing on the side. Watch out for the bicycles, Kev, today. They're everywhere, everywhere. Yes, they're all out today, including me and my mate in the mirror. He's there on his silver 350 Classic. Like I was saying, why on earth are we out today? Well, we were planning to go on that bloke on a motorbike subscriber ride out. I don't know if you know of him, but there's a chap on YouTube who calls himself That Bloke on a Motorbike. He's a Yorkshireman, and he comes into the Peak District a lot. He's got lots of followers, and he just comes across as a really nice fella. He's got a very relaxed tone to his presenting. Listen to me, I'm all tongue-tied. Watch out for the bike, Kev. Yeah, and it was his subscriber ride out today, and unfortunately it's been cancelled because he put a video up the other day saying that he'd been badly injured. I don't know what happened. All he said was he was trying to stop a drink driver from leaving the scene. So I don't know whether he's fallen or been attacked, or I don't know what he's done, but he didn't look very well, poor fella. He'd got a lump out of his chin and bruising on his arm, a lump out of his elbow. But worst of all, he said he'd got broken shoulder. I don't know what he's broken, but he said it had snapped the bone at the end or something, so I don't know if it's his clavicle. If it is, I've had that and it is very painful. So get well soon, matey. But we'd planned to come out and we were going to meet up with the riders here, because they were setting off from Wath-on-Dearne, I think, and then second stop was here, so that was the best point for us to join. So we're coming up to Fairholmes as we'd planned. We were going to be coming up here and waiting for all the bikes coming to join on to the ride out, but what we shall do this morning is we're going to have a drink and a bite to eat here, and then decide what we're doing, because we've not made a plan. Sometimes when you haven't made a plan, them days turn out the best, don't they? Well, that's what I find. What is it they say? When a man makes a plan, God laughs. And well, bloke on a motorbike's plan didn't work out, did it? So, get well soon, mate. Well, he's not my mate, I don't know him, but you feel like you know these people, don't you, when you watch them all the time on the internet. So yes, I think we can call him mate. Right, we're here. So we've just got to go down here and find somewhere to park. And it looks busy. Very busy. Right, now then, where's the best place for a bike? Well, there's two down there, we'll join them, eh? Please pay and display. Nah. We'll risk it for a biscuit. And we'll have a brew and a chow. Are we alright here? That's a nice little bike, isn't it? Look at this here. Hey? 1000cc, look how small it is.
750 on it, that'd be nice.
So after a nice little break at Fair Homes, we've come over the Snake to Glossop and steaming up a bit and turn left on this little lane, which should bring us across to Tunel on the other side of Glossop. It's a little lane that my mate spotted and he wanted to try it. So we're going to give it a go. It's better than the main roads and going through all the town and everything, and hopefully this will work out alright. I don't see why it shouldn't. Oh yeah, look at this. Some really nice views up here. Lots of people walking. We got chatting to a couple of younger generation bikers in the Fair Homes Cafe. Them lads had come from Stockport and they were going down to Matlock Bath for their weekly fix. Mental health therapy on the bike, you can't beat it. So, yeah, YouTubers that I follow seem to be dropping like flies at the moment. That's two of my favourite YouTube channel guys that I follow that have bit the dust. Martin Trafford, he came on the other week and he's the moorland biker from Staffordshire Moorlands, and he fell off his bike in Chatsworth, I think, and oh crikey, he had a really bad injury he had. He'd pushed the bone at the top of his leg through his hip. crikey, they've rebuilt his hip with all nuts and bolts and everything like they do. So he's going to be incapacitated for quite a long time. Probably for the summer, I should think. And yeah, the poor old bloke on the motorbike. So let's just hope it doesn't go in threes, because I don't want to be joining them. Look at this little lane my mate's found. It's a, oh yeah, a grand little lane. Must have known about this before. It bypasses the town. Ah, here we are coming out on the main tunnel road. Good little lane that, mate. Oh. Yeah, that was good. Good little bypass. Just dodge around Glossop and all that traffic. If I'd known about that before, I would have used it before. So, where are we going now? We are going to head over to Brackenfield near Alfreton. There's a new bikers cafe opened, so we're going to have a jingle round the lanes and end up there. Try out the new bikers cafe. I think it's been very busy, but places usually are when they're new, aren't they? One or two stop in there, look. I think these. Well, fast forward everybody. And we're in Lee Bridge. On our way to this new motorbike cafe. Now then, we've got a big bunch of cyclists here. What is it they call them? Mammals, middle-aged men in lycra. I think there are some ladies amongst them though. Lee! Well, it's cooled off a bit now. It really has. It's clouded over, and without the sun on you, it's not so warm. Not so warm today. Alright when you're just walking about, but on the bike, when you get a bit of wind speed, it's, yeah, it's cool. But we're not letting that put us off, are we? No, we're not. Just get through this little village, climb up onto the top and across the top, and it's not so far away then. I don't know what this new cafe will be like. I think the pub's been done out all in biker theme, but I think the snacks and what have you are served from a snack bar on the car park. I'm not sure. It's not been open very long. I think about a month, something like that, and this will be the first time we've visited. So it's all new to us. I saw another local YouTuber, a Chesterfield chap, went there the other day, and another guy before him. and they both seem to like it, so it can't be that bad. And it's on the way home for us now. We've come round in a big circle. We went to Fair Homes first, as you know, then round by Glossop, and we've come round in a big circle down to the bottom of Via near Matlock Bath, and cut across over here for the Low on Fuel Cafe. Now then, turning right here, and if I remember right, it's not a very good junction, this. No, you can't see far, and it's busy. After this mini, I think, and we've done it. Yeah, just round this corner, down a dip and over the brow. Oh, we've got roadworks. Roadworks, Kev. Steady on. You can see we've got some more bikers in the mirror. But they're probably heading to this place. Cadent Gas digging the road up. A little vineyard there. I remember the guy planting that. He's quite well established now. Yes, don't know how long that will have been there now. There we are, just round this corner. It's that building there on the left. We'll see if it's very busy, eh? There we are, Low on Fuel Cafe now open. Well, former row here outside of this guy, eh? This nice motor gupsy. Oh, we'll have a brew. I don't know what you do here. Do you go in the pub? Or do you go to the...
Up there and have a look, see if they're doing a cup of tea there.
Yeah?
You can sit on there.
That'll do then. We've got a plan. Yeah, so if you want to try that Low on Fuel Cafe out, I highly recommend it. It was very nice. We didn't have anything to eat, we just had a drink, but yeah, it was okay. If you're going past, call in and give it a try. And now we've had our last afternoon drink, we're heading home now, folks, so we're going to wrap this one up. Thanks for joining me. I hope everybody's enjoyed that today, and it's goodbye from him in the mirror, and it's goodbye from me. So, bye-bye now. Ta-ta. Ta-ta.